Yeah, hi buddies. My name is Ratan. We are discussing HTML classes, right? I think in the last class we discussed about the HTML document structure. The HTML document starts with what doc type, which represents the version of the HTML. When if you remove this tag, any problem is there? There is no problem. By default, it will take the HTML file. And the root tag for the HTML is the HTML, which contains two subtags, heading and body, head and body. Head contains what information here? Metadata information, just information not visible in the browser, which is like titles, CSS linking, Bootstrap linking, JavaScript linking. All the links should be there in the header tag. And what about body tag? Tell me the data visible in the browser. The browser, what do you want to see? The visible data right inside the tab, body tag, right? Yeah, this is the last class document structure we did done, right? Today class guys, let me go for the one example about the HTML hello world example. Yeah, want to write the first program guys. HTML first program. To write the HTML first program, tell me HTML first program. Guys, to write the code, first we require the editor, right? Let me use the first initial editor. After that, I'll use the IDs. Okay, so I think last class I told that. So these are the editors. Editors are used to write the HTML code. We are using Notepad, Notepad++, Edit+, Sublime Text. These are the editors we have, right? And later classes will go for the ID, Integrated Development Environment, which is like Visual Studio Code. But now, let me go for the Edit+. Edit+ bit colorful editor, guys. Let me download Edit+ and let me install Edit+. Let me write the first example using Edit+. Okay, sorry, clear, right? So we are writing the code. Write the code, write HTML first program. Write the code using editor. Write the code using what editor, guys? Here we are using Edit+ editor, right? Edit+ editor. Guys, to do the Edit+ editor, Edit+ editor, what is the website? Directly you can go for the website name like editplus.com. What the website name, guys? Here editplus.com. You can click. There's editplus.com website is there. Directly you can type the website like editplus.com. Okay, so clear. The website name is what? editplus.com. There we can see the download button is there. Click on this download. So if you click on this download page, here you can see that download HTML, sorry, Edit+ 5 and Edit+ 4, right? Download version 5, download version 4. Click on the download button. It is downloaded. Guys, it is what? Downloaded. And basically it is a 30 days trial version. Guys, a 30 days trial version. Just see, first initial classes you are going for the editor, right? After 1 week, definitely we'll go with what? ID. That's what, guys. That is enough for the. This is a 30 days trial version. Click on the download. You download HTML5 version, guys. So let me download here. Just to click on the download button. That's downloaded here. After downloading what? Installation. Download Edit+ what? 5.7, right? Yeah. Click on download. The data will be downloaded. After downloading means what? Installation, right? Installation, don't do anything. Just click on the next finish. I think don't ask how many next buttons and how many finish buttons, right? Yeah, just click on what? Next finish button. Wait, don't comment here. So how many are next buttons, how many finish buttons, huh? So click on the next and finish, right? That's it, guys. Write the code using Edit+ editor and download editor. Download the editor. What website name, guys? Here http://www.editplus.com. Or website name, guys, editplus.com, right? That is website, guys, editplus.com. Just website you can open, and so click on what? Download the Edit+ 5.7. Click on next finish. It is asking trial version, guys. Click on the trial version. Click on what? Trial version. I agree button you have. So see, by seeing that options you can understand. Click on the trial, click on the I agree, then Edit+ is what happened here? Installation is over. Once the Edit+ installation is over, you will get this file, guys. This is a book symbol you will get. Can you see in my desktop, right? This is Edit+ book symbol. Open this Edit+, guys. I'm going to open this Edit+. This is the Edit+ installation file. Open this Edit+. Once if you open Edit+, initially you will get the screen like this. You will get the screen, empty screen you will get. Here you will get the maybe I agree button. Click on the I agree. Click on what? I agree. And maybe some people already Edit+ installed in your system. Some people are showing the 30 days evolution has been expired, right? Yes, no worries. Without even if it is expired, it will work. It's not a problem. Just you can drag this window. Just you can drag this window to some side. See, in my system already expired here. Just you can drag this this window to some side. I'm dragging to side. Then I can work simply. Sir, how to see? You want HTML code, right? To create the HTML file, first HTML file, go to the file menu. Go to what? File menu. Click on the new. File menu. Click on the new. I want to go for what? Tell me guys what you want. File menu. Click on the new. Normal text. HTML page. Browser window. C CPP. Parallel Java. Which one you want? Definitely you want HTML page. Just click on the HTML page. Once if you click on the HTML page, you will get some page like this. By default code you will get. Let me remove this file. See guys, this is a doc type you are getting, HTML getting, heading you are getting, metadata you are getting, like this, right? Let me remove this complete thing. Let me remove the data. Yes, are you clear? I'm writing the code from the starting. Yes, are you clear now? Write the code guys. Tell me the code for this one. Which starts with what element? HTML document starts with what element here? Doc type element, right? Guys, what element ma? Doc type. Doc type is representing the version of the HTML. Fine. Even if you remove this tag, any problem is there? There is no problem. By default, it will take the HTML5 version. Guys, HTML what version ma? 5 version, right? That is called what ma? Doc type. I remove doc type, guys. For me, not required. Good. Guys, starts with what? HTML tag, right? Guys, starts with what? HTML tag. HTML open. The root tag is what? HTML. HTML opening and HTML closing. I told that the tag means what? Greater than, less than, and ending closing tag should start with a slash. This is the root element, right? A root element which contains how many sub elements? Two sub elements. One is a head tag, head opening and what? Head closing. And second sub element is what? Body opening and body closing. Slowly write the code like this, no problem. HTML is a root element which contains two sub elements, head and what? Body. Head contains what? Metadata. So as of now, there is no CSS file linkings, JavaScript file linkings, Bootstrap linking. These all the links are not there. As of now, just you can write the title. Title is what? Just you can write the title. This is the first page. Something like title you can write. Yes, you got the pointer. So that is the title I written. First page. Close the title. Because after closing the title, this is my title. I will show you where the title is visible. This is the title. Then you can go for the body tag. Is in the body tag, let me write some small h1 tag. H1 means heading, guys. Next video I will tell you what are the headings, what are text formatting tags and all. This is a h1 tag. H1 means what? Heading tag. Heading here. So welcome to, tell me guys, welcome to Ratan sir classes. Welcome to what? Ratan sir classes. Close the h1 tag. How to close h1 tag? H1 closing. Closing starts with what? Slash, like this. Are you clear now? Welcome to Ratan sir classes, right? Exactly. Yeah, next one is what? Let me write the h2 tag also. Generally h1 tag, h2 tag, heading tags actually. We have the heading tags range is up to h1 to h6. h1 to what? h6. Let me write the two h1 and h2, right? Yeah. Welcome to Ratan sir classes. And the next one is what? Ratan sir classes. Tell me here, Ratan sir classes are what? Ratan sir classes are nice. Nice, wow, whoa, something like that, right? Guys, yes or no? Ratan sir class are what? Nice, right? Definitely nice. Good. Okay, just close the what tag? h2 tag, right? Like that, guys. So I written the HTML. The starting is what? HTML tag, which contains so many sub elements, guys. Two sub elements. So head and what? Body. Head means what? Metadata. Metadata means what? I can write the title. And head information is visible or not visible? Head information is what? Visible or not visible? Not visible. And body data only visible. In the body I written what tag? Tell me here. H1 tag. Welcome to Ratan sir classes. Ratan's classes are nice. Ratan sir classes are what? Nice, right? Guys, this is my HTML code. Tell me guys, after writing the code, what we need to do? Some people may say that run the code. Yeah, before running, what we have to do? Before running, we need to, tell me here, before running what? We need to, before running, we need to what? Before running, we need to save the code, right? Exactly. We need to save the code, guys. To save the code, what is the file extension we need to save the code? I think last class I told that we need to After writing the code, we need to save the code using what? .html extension, right? .html extension. That's the reason, guys. This is like, .html extension we have to save. Save means what? Go to the file menu, click on the save. Otherwise, here we can see the control S, right? Ctrl plus S, control S. Just click on the control S. If you click on the control S, in the local disk D, I'm going to create one folder. I'm going to create one folder, or directly you want to save. If you want, you can create one folder, guys. That's up to you. You create already one folder in that file. Just let me right click and create the new. I want to create one folder. HTML what? Videos. HTML what? Videos. I'm creating one folder. In that folder, I'm going to save my file. What the file name, guys, here? First.html, right? Guys, see the point. You create one folder already in the local disk D, guys. Which is like HTML videos folder. In that folder, I'm going to save this file. Tell me, guys, what's the file name? I told that we need to save the file is what? First.html, right? .html we have to save. Guys, .html, right? Exactly. Guys, click on the save. Once if you click on the save, the file is saved. Go and check the location. What is the location? Tell me. Local disk D. In the local disk D, just now you created one folder. Tell me, guys. Just now you created what? One folder. What the folder name? Tell me. Tell me here what the folder name. HTML classes, right? Yeah. Not HTML classes. I think HTML videos, right? Yeah. HTML videos. You can click in the HTML videos. Tell me, these are HTML videos which contains what? This is a file, right? The first file. Maybe you can see the browser here. I think my browser is 360. Some different browser is their file. Open this file, guys. Once if you open this file, it is asking the open with browser. I'm opening like my Microsoft Edge browser. Microsoft what? Edge. Just click on what? Just once. That is the browser, guys. Yeah, I think you got the output, right? Guys, can you see the data, right? Yeah, that's it, guys. We got the output. This is the first page. And welcome to Ratan sir classes. This is a heading H2 tag, right? Ratan sir classes are nice. So you got the output here. That's it. So this is the output. This is a H1 tag and what we written? H1 tag and H2 tag, right? Guys, H1 tag and what? H2 tag. This is welcome to Ratan sir classes. Welcome to Ratan sir class or what? Nice. If you want, you can write the H3 also. Tell me, guys, how to write H3. Students are what? Nice. Then close the what tag? H3 tag. Guys, can you save it? Control S. Then go to the browser. Just you can refresh it. Now students are nice. Guys, are you clear? That is called first example, guys. And see, you can see the title here. This is the title. In the tab is there, no? In the tab here you can see the first page, right? This is the title. Guys, can you see the title, right? Put the title here. First page, right? Yeah, this is called first page, guys. Title we can see here. Is it clear? I hope you guys also run the example, guys. Check the output, right? Yeah. So we'll meet in the next video. We'll go for some next text formatting tags. Thank you, guys. Bye.